Hi guys, welcome to another Lego video. Yay! Hi, I'm going to be the Lego special Lego that we use today. But first, let's watch some TV. Yay! We just broke your couch, you know. No, we didn't. See? Okay, I gotta get a new one. There we go, I got my new couch. It looks like exactly like the other one. Yeah, the other one is over there. Right? It's right there's with it. I fell. Well, not really fall. Whoa! Like what? Okay. Now, let's just get to the video. First of all, we have the couch, the chair, and I put these two little pieces on it so that when he's not using the television, you just plop the remote on there. See? Move it over like that. Just lay it back, and then you just turn that around. And also when he gets this, there's like a little coffee machine over here. There's a little cup in it and stuff. And then you could just sit on this couch and enjoy the television. Stand still. Okay, and then let's just put the remote inside. There we go. And now you can watch the television all day long. Just don't get too close to the TV. And then, that's mostly it. And then, how to make the TV fit, because it kind of looks confusing. Let's just get this too close to make it work. I just put two little remote control thingies at the top, two glass pieces. Then I put the little 6-way long piece on right there, and on the bottom part I put like a flat 4-piece, but the 2x4 piece, and then I put the 1x6 piece, and then I put the 1x1 pieces on the side, and I put a 6x1 piece up here, and then to the 4x1, 4x2 is right there, 2 6x1s up to there, and then 2 1x1s right here, a yellow piece, yellow 4x1, and then I put a white 4x1 that has little pieces sticking out the top that you could put like little things on. I put like a little barrel with a wrench in it with the wire going connected to the wrench, and through this here little wall and into the wall socket, which I put a red 1x4 and those things you use to make flick missiles with. And if you don't know what a flick missile is, I'll just put that there. Give me like 10 seconds. Okay. Wait, just one second. This is one of my little creations. And this here, bit on the side, this part, that's a flick missile. Now, watch closely. Oh, that wasn't too noticeable. Doesn't always work. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, let's just see if it works now. Okay. Ah! No! Okay. Okay, that went to the ground. Let me fix it and get you back when I am done. So you could like just look up the set and stuff. I admire it. Yeah. So, most time. Okay. Now let's see. Does it work? 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? If you saw that, that's what a flick missile is. If I do it on the other side, since that the other side is like where the camera is. Ah, where's the TV? There we go. It's TV. Sorry about that. Okay, now I got the ship on the other side. Don't know if you saw that little stick flying across the thing, but there it was. There it was like. Okay, I was holding on to it that time. So yeah, that's basically my little creation. You mean my creation? How are you flying on the couch? Ow. I had no idea I could fly on the couch. Well, that's it for my little set. Goodbye.